Mr. User Boss here, and this video is going to be very different. We're actually looking at a moldable plastic called Polymorph. So Polymorph can be bought from eBay, and they also have their own official shop, so I'll put a link in the description and you can definitely check that out if you're interested. So basically you get it in this little plastic bag or a tub if you order larger quantities, but I just got a little bit. And basically they're presented as these translucent beads. And the way it works is you just pour the beads into a bowl or tub or some sort of heat-proof container and then pour boiling water on top. So the instruction manual says that you should probably leave it for around 5 minutes after you pour the water, and I've left it for 10 just to be sure, and by that time the water is cooled to about 60 degrees, but it's definitely done the job. So once you've done that, you take out the Polymorph and you are good to go. So we just drain the water a little bit, and then you can basically just use your hands as a tool to mold it. So you'll notice that it's actually gone transparent now, which is basically just a sign to tell you that it's ready to be molded, and as it cools it will eventually just turn back to its translucent colour in a solid state. So when you think about it, the benefits of this are absolutely massive. You can do so much with Polymorph. I can't believe that more people don't have it. Just as a little example, you could create like a customized grip for a pen or a knife, which is basically tailored to your hand. You could create models for a new product you're prototyping, or you could even basically use it as if you had a 3D printer. The opportunities are literally endless. So now that I've actually sort of created my basic shape, I'm just going to cool my hand under some cold water, which is just a rapid way of cooling it down. You don't need to use cold water, you can just leave it out, but this speeds it up, and as you can see, we now have a hard shape. So yeah, you can flick it, you can squeeze it, you can stretch it, and it's there, it's solid into that shape, so it's really awesome. And you can reuse it as many times as you want. You just boil it and then it goes back. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.